I think most of us like spending some time at home. I certainly do. It's my refuge, my comfort zone, a place where I can just be and not worry about what happened during the day and breathe easy. But what we don't realize is that our home is also home to various kinds of bacteria, particles, and gases. And these could come from anywhere, from dust, garbage, your carpets, our curtains, mold, air conditions. The list is so huge that we can't go about physically eliminating the causes. So we hire domestic helps. But even then, these bacteria and viruses call our homes their homes. Considering we spend about 75% of our time indoor, getting rid of these pollutants becomes imperative. This is where Milagros new age domestic robots can help us. You may ask, how can a machine get rid of pollutants invisible to the naked eye and help us lead a healthier life? Well, it's all about the technology. Technology that's bringing us one step closer to zero.
We take great care of our homes, sweeping, dusting, cleaning each and every surface. Our need to keep our homes clean stems from our need to keep our loved ones safe from dirt and dust. But are our homes, sweet homes, truly clean? Despite our cleaning methods, our homes are breeding grounds for bacteria, germs and viruses invisible to us. And they could lead to not only infectious diseases, but also allergies. But this is where science could be your little helper. Milagros domestic robots like Red Hawk are fast climbing the popularity charts for being able to get rid of dust and bacteria without any supervision.
The main objective of the floor cleaning robot is helps in suctioning, vacuuming, dusting of all your surfaces, be it carpets, tiles, wooden surfaces, linoleum, even tables, even higher surfaces, all hard surfaces it cleans. Now a robot is supposed to have artificial intelligence. The way we think, feel, behave, the robot is supposed to replicate that human behavior. Suppose we don't bang into walls, the similar way the robot has wall detection sensors or obstacle detection sensors, it does not bang into your furniture or walls. The similar way when we do not fall off stairs when we are walking, it has fall detection sensors that do not let it fall off stairs or higher surfaces. The way we feel hungry and eat food, the moment the battery is less than 15%, the robot automatically returns to the charging station, charges itself and then leaves the next morning.
This little cleaning genie not only cleans the surface with the help of brushes underneath, but also disinfects any surface that it is on.
Sometimes when your maids clean the house, when they do pocha, they're using dirty water, so that further dirties your house. Some people have pets in their home. Of course, those pets also have germs which are constantly around your house. So what the floor cleaning robot does is, it also vacuums your pet hair. Along with that, all the air that comes out of the robot is clean air because there are HEPA filters at the back of the robot, so it filters the air and throws out clean air. Along with that, the UV lamp, what it does is, just like your RO system, which you use for water, it is disintegrating the DNA of your bacteria and viruses. So it kills 99.9% of the germs on your floor. So any infection in the air, any dirt which cannot be seen with the naked eye, it helps in reducing that to zero.
A lot of people, because who have back problems, are put on hard beds, and they have to lie straight. Lying straight, they can have body sores, those sores can actually have bacteria. And you don't know how to clean it. So if suppose on a hard bed, this is a perfect device, the floor cleaning actually can just go about cleaning it and prevent, the disease from spreading. Bacteria can be killed, So medicine acts on the wound and this acts on the, the place where a patient is sleeping.
This device can be scheduled to leave its docking station every morning at a specific hour to wage a battle against probable causes of allergies.
Suppose you're leaving the house for about a month. You can schedule a time on the docking station for an entire year, up to an entire year in one go. Automatically the robot leaves at that specific time. It starts its cleaning. It finds its way around your house.
One of Milagro's yet to be launched robot, Aerobot, is all set to help us breathe easy in our own homes.
Enclosed environments, while they keep you cool, but sometimes the same air is circulated, and in that there is bacteria, there are viruses, there are allergens which are there, there is odor which is there are particles which are there is smoke which is there, and this causes many a times a lot of problems to people who spend time indoors. Now the Aerobot basically has three kinds of filters. If I was to just very quickly explain to you, one filter will take care of the particles in the air, and these are HEPA filters, and second will take care of the odors in the air, and third will take care of the bacteria and viruses.
With Red Hawk and Aerobot in its arsenal, Milagro is on a quest for zero indoor pollution.